In this video, we will be talking about JavaScript scope. So, what is JavaScript scope? JavaScript scope is basically the visibility of variables, or the accessibility. If you don't know what a block of code is a piece of code that does a specific thing, like a function. We're first going to talk about block scope. Let and const have block scope. So what this means is if I declare a let or const variable inside of a block of code, I cannot use that variable outside of the block of code. So the let variable is blocked from outside of the block of code. This is an exception with var. Variables with var have global scope, and I'll talk about that later. Next, we're going to talk about local scope. Local scope is basically the same thing as global scope, as in let or const variables that are declared inside of a block of code are local to that function, so they cannot be accessed from outside of the function. And then finally, global scope. Variables declared with var have global scope, even if they're in a block of code. And let and const variables have global scope when they are outside the block of code. So if you declare your let and const variables outside of your block of code, then you can use it anywhere in the code you want.